Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through the introduction and installation of Node.js. Node.js is an open source and cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment. Node.js runs the V8 JavaScript engine, the core of Google Chrome, outside of the browser. That means that you can run JavaScript outside of the browser. Node.js provides a set of asynchronous I/O primitives in its standard library that prevent JavaScript code from blocking. Node.js has a unique advantage because millions of front-end developers that write JavaScript for the browser are now able to write the server-side code, in addition to the client-side code, without the need to learn a completely different language. In Node.js, the new ECMAScript standards can be used. Now let's move to the installation. Now open up your browser and visit nodejs.org, and as per your operating system you can download Node.js from here. I have downloaded it on my machine. Let's click on this icon, and it's pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm not gonna install it because I have already installed it on my machine. So just to make sure you have successfully installed Node.js on your machine, just open up your command prompt and type in here node, and if you see welcome to Node.js, the version, it means that you have successfully installed it. And that was all about installation and introduction of Node.js. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.